guys, I am Ganmitra and I am back with Redstone Creations, and this is my invented slime cannon. Okay, I can't make the YouTubers other one slime cannon, so I make one that is made by me. Go there. This one, I think this was the easiest one. Here. This is the short way. Okay. This is my other one. I broke it, then put the dispenser, so it made this one. Okay. Here. And now I'm going to show you how to make this one. Easiest one. You need to put 10 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, then put the dispenser there. Then count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, how many one? That doesn't matter. Put it there, then 1, 2, then okay, like this. Oh, get it. Then look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then one more. The bottom set this to 1, 2, like that. Then test. If you didn't know it, then just try it. If you just going to try it, so your creation will not blow up water on that side. You don't try it. So it will be nothing. It will be so good. Just break the 2 blocks. Put 120. Put 20. Okay, I'm going to get this one. Just try. Boom. Okay. But if you did it, take the water off. Put any stacks that you want. If you want it will be quick, and you will control it. You want to do it like this. Just be careful at putting, because if you do this, self-destruct. Boom. What will happen? Okay. You want that? It's okay. Okay. Any stocks is possible here. And this is this. So bye guys, and I'm going to invent more things. Okay, so goodbye, and I am going to think what I am going to next. Please subscribe and like for more videos for Minecraft in the soft phone or tablet. This is version 1.0.0.16. Okay? Happy New Year! Happy 2017! And please subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for watching.